Hey guys, today we go outside and we will take a very short video about Doogee new model S110, and this is the new second screen, the dual screen large device, and this is third generation after the V20 and Doogee S98. This time they provide 1.2 the 1.09-inch screen, and with the screen you can choose camera, and you can answer the calls, and you can also customize the clock plates. And this is about the camera test, and this time they has a 50 megapixel AI camera, Sony IMX766, and Sony 32 megapixel front camera, and only support 24 megapixel night vision and also 30 megapixel wide angle. So this is camera, and we can find is our traditional larger phone design, but is compared to the other smartphone brands, Doogee smartphone looks more fashion and more business style. The side fingerprint and power button, and also the camera zoom is very cool. This time they used the 6.58 FHD plus 120Hz IPS Photoshop screen, and also the weight of the smartphone is 390. So this house is a big battery, 10,800 with 66-watt fast charging, and also the chips. This time they use the Hello G99 and 6nm octa-core processor with UFS 2.2 and LPDDR4X 12GB RAM plus 256GB ROM. And here is the plate for you to choose for the second mid screen, so this is very nice. Yes, more pictures about the Doogee S110, and I took in these pictures in Berlin, IFA, and yes, more to enjoy it. And thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye. Doogee cars, Doogee phones.